Okay, today's going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you this impact screwdriver here. Now these things are super cool. The idea is you hit the top with the hammer here, and all that force going down the screwdriver turns into rotational force this way. So hit it that way, rotation this way, or that way, depending if you're tightening or loosening. But pretty much the only thing I use this for is to get rusted screws and bolts, especially when you're replacing things like brake drums. Now these screws here they put in the factory, they don't really have much purpose after that, so when the cars are on the assembly line, they're all nice and, you know, they're not going to fall off everywhere. So that's really why they're there, but they don't really solve much purpose. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the L position to loosen, and we're just going to stick that in there and whack it with a hammer, and hopefully it's all going to come off. But these tools are great. See how easy that was? And there we go. It's not bad, is it? Okay, let's try one more. We've got some seized on screws here, Phillips head. There's a lot of corrosion around here, you can see that. Let's see if we can crack open one of these without ruining the threads. So there we go, these seem to pop right out. You can see where it was all seized on behind the dome head of the screw there. So if we look at the top of the Phillips head on this machine screw here, it just seemed to whip it out. There's no visible damage to the screw itself. So the tool, yeah, looking pretty good, isn't it? So that's a couple of applications of using an impact screwdriver like this one. I really only use it for drum brakes and de-seizing machine bolts and screws, but it's a very useful tool to have, just to throw in the toolbox and have it as an accessory when you get a bit stuck. If you want to buy one, I'll link it in the description below. You can check it out and purchase your own. But hopefully you found this video useful and it might get you out of a jam in the future. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.